names? Hi, my name is Dream. So today I'm gonna be here and interviewing you guys. So first, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I am mobile. My name is Praten ค่ะ
What's your major?
International Relations and Diplomacy. Me too, International Relations Diplomacy ค่ะ
How do you feel about today? What's your favorite part of today?
Actually, I'm so super excited. Yeah, KKUIC is so amazing and incredible learning. And I hope that KKUIC will offer good opportunities for me and everyone for sure. Thank you.
It's amazing.
For me, I'm so excited and I don't know how to explain and I can't wait and I have been waiting for a long time to study here.
Okay, well, good luck on your journey. Can you please introduce yourself? What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Chris.
My name is Lily.
My name is Jade.
I'm Torben.
Which country are you from?
I'm from Denmark.
I'm from Germany.
I'm from France.
Germany.
Okay. And what major do you exchange to?
To GB.
Me too.
GB2.
Okay, so GB. And so, how do you feel about today's events?
I was very pleasantly surprised. A lot of activity, a lot of fun. I like the dancing a lot.
Me too. I really enjoyed the welcoming.
I'm very happy to be here today and I think it will be a great experience.
Really has been awesome.
This year we will launch the new AI chatbot, which will be used in the website of KKU and ready to answer all the questions that the student or staff need to ask some things. Yeah, the AI will be ready to help you. And the mascot haven't get a name yet, so we will have a contest and then we'll ask you guys to naming it and then we will find the winner and there will be some award. And next thing, we will have the new building. We will construct the new building within next year. It might take 3 years and then you will be available to use it. Or after that, if you're the alumni, we will have the alumni section for you and then you can be able to use our building for free. One more thing, the activities. We provide a lot of activities about the sustainability, the outreach project, the international project, and there's many things for you guys to join.
What advice would you give to incoming KKUIC students?
My advice is to embrace the diverse community of KKUIC. So enjoy the different atmosphere, use the most of resources and mentorship, and then remember to make the most of opportunity at KKUIC and welcome to KKUIC.